The love clock starts us off. Hi, welcome to the Paige family homestead. It's cold out, so I think I'm just gonna make a little treat for us. We're gonna have some guests over later, so I'll make this for coffee. So what this is a banana loaf, but we're pimping it up. I need to get rid of some cranberries, I need to get rid of some dates. And then I'm looking in my dehydration station, and I found I found some blueberries, and I thought, oh, I'm going to throw those in. What the heck? So what have I got here? All right. Oh, and I got some almonds. I'll just throw those in too. I hid them for Christmas and then forgot them, so I didn't get to use them all. I had extras. Got here 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to throw that in with my wet ingredients. Or sorry, my dry. Brain's better, happens with age. Mix that all in. Now, when we get bananas and I see they're going, I like my bananas to be just past the green, just into the yellow. So they're firm without that pasty taste on your teeth, you know what I mean? I just like them really nice. Andy likes them once they're starting to turn because that's when they go sweeter. When I see them like that, I throw them in the freezer, skin and all, right into a bag in the freezer. Boom, gone, don't look at it. When you open them, the skins are like black and they're snotty when you open them, but they're good. They're good. So, what are you trying to say, Andy? Okay. They just look really gross. So before we do that, I got here 1/2 cup of butter. And it's cold in this house, so butter's cold. I have a microwave. I store away. I don't know what it is. I just don't like them in the house, so I only bring it out when we kind of have to have it, which isn't often. I'm going to cream that with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. You all saw in the DIY in the playlist, we make our own brown sugar. I'm going to have to run to the pantry because I forgot the vanilla. So we're just going to cream this together. This is a really quick throw it together recipe, guys. Especially if you have everything together that you need. There we go, good enough.
It's like peanut butter.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Could be using the big mixer for this, but a lot of people don't have them. And I get a lot of comments of, well, what do I use if I don't have one of those mixers? The KitchenAid. Well, you could use a hand mixer or 2 feet in a heartbeat. Get a spoon in your hand and use it, right? Get the job done. Works. So we got that all incorporated. I'm going to add my egg. 2 slightly beaten, not farm fresh eggs. Yeah, I'm not sucking out. They will be one day. Again. Remember cooking with duck eggs, Andy?
Oh, yeah.
We never told the kids. Our kids were weird. Ew, that's different. I don't want it.
Yeah, really.
And in the disappear spot. There you go.
Wow, it disappeared.
It did. Until I find it later. How is it that the men never find them in there? Huh?
Oh, it's easy. Never looked.
Andy, look in there. Okay, so in with this, I'm going to add our It says 3 bananas. Every recipe you ever look in the world says 3 bananas. It's not good for me. Andy, you're going to laugh.
What?
I'm going to have to use...
Man tool, yeah.
what you're used to, right?
Yeah. Let her go. The man tool's fast, eh?
Okay, in it goes our egg. Our
egg.
Our banana. That's 2 poofs today already mixed up. I like the banana slightly chunky. I don't want it like pureed. I like to taste a little piece of banana in there. And with that, I'm adding, I don't know, half a cup of chopped dates. Yeah, I know it's different, but that's what's going to make so nice. And just over, well, a healthy cup of cranberries. See where we're going with this? It's going to be so good. To keep the lemon from going, or the banana from going black, I did add, I would say, 2 tablespoons of real lemon.
Real lemon?
From the bottle. Real lemon.
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to toss in.
Blueberry.
I can't believe we went through the whole winter without you finding those.
I would have found them. They'd have been gone.
I know.
A nice hearty snack.
I'll hide them again.
It's a good spot.
It was a good spot. Right out in the open. Oh, that's going to be good. And now I'm just going to add a little, not many. I would have liked walnuts. I don't have any, so let's play pretend and put some crushed almonds in there. That's one of our phones. I got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. 2 cups of flour with a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to put that in. Now, you know when you come home and you're like, oh, I feel like a banana bread, right?
Yeah.
Now you see how easy it is to whip together, eh?
Oh,
Right?
sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Now you can see how easy it was for me to whip this together when, you know, you thought I was going to great trouble, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See where I just snuck you? Easy, right, Andy? This is going to be so good. Now we have a cousin and a lot of other family members that'll be like, or a nephew rather, and family members that go, oh, you guys need to put chocolate chips in. No! Ew, I don't know why. I just, banana bread, everybody loves it. And it grosses me out to see chocolate in there. So over here, I just have a loaf pan. I have greased it with butter lightly and dusted it with flour. That'll keep it from sticking. I try not to use the sprays. I do use them, but I'm trying to get away from them. I got this really cool recipe at Baker's. I think it's called Baker's Joy, but it's like using the spray, only you just butter it on. It's all mixed up. I'll bring that in one day with a DIY. I would like to put cinnamon in this, but I don't know. I know a few people who are allergic, so just in case they stop in, I'm not going to.
Do you need vanilla extract?
You know what? I did need vanilla extract. I'm not putting it in because
Okay.
I would use a tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it all in there, but I already got it in there and I don't want to mix it in. Besides, the cranberries are going to taste good. So we're missing vanilla extract. I doubt anyone not knowing would know. Pound it down, get the air out. That's going in the oven for approximately 45 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees. We'll do the little toothpick test and the knife insert test to make sure that it's good. And I'll bring you back when we're ready to butter it up and have some with coffee.
Okay.
Okay, it's been exactly 60 minutes. Comes out nice and dry. I just kind of push it away from the sides with the back of the knife. Do you all have a favorite knife or a favorite flipper, like spatula, or a favorite something? This is embarrassing, but I gotta show it. I've got this stupid little knife. It is so old. Look here. See the back of it? You have to push it in. And then I couldn't find any good tape, you know, the duct tape, because that works for everything. So I went into Andy's handy dandy basket of things and found, I think this is called electrical tape, Andy.
Electrical tape,
yeah.
yep.
So this is an embarrassing moment for you because I don't have duct tape. Actually, I need this fixed. I don't want to get rid of it. It's my favorite knife, so it needs to be fixed.
I'll probably make a man tool out of that, put a wooden handle on that baby.
Something. It's my favorite. Okay, so just gonna flip this over. You thought I was gonna drop it, didn't
I did.
you?
Whoa, kind of like that.
I am so keeping that in. That was so deserved. Oh Lord. I had that coming. I
forgot. Yeah, it's hot.
I'm having a bad day and I'm still getting this done, so what the heck, right?
Oh my God.
Here we go. Beautiful.
There we go. Dessert for today.
It's gonna be nice. It's hot. I don't want to cut into it, but
No.
I gotta show you. Shouldn't cut into it when it's hot. But oh my God, how do you not? Look at
Ooh, look at
this. The dates,
That's good.
the
That's
cranberries, the banana.
No.
Yeah, and there's some almonds in there.
Well, what's that? What do they call this here? I
Oh,
tell you
the
what
hard
they call that good.
crust?
Oh, yeah. Good. Hot.
We're gonna let this sit now and cool so we can slice it thinner and nicer. Sorry about missing the vanilla, but really?
It's good.
It is. Put that right in my face.
Then you can see it too.
Dropped it off the stove. I'm not having a good day. I didn't even pick my celery out of the snow. If you saw the other, have a good day. Please remember to thumbs up. Give us that like, comment below, laugh with us. Don't laugh at me. Everyone has a bad day, and I still made it. Okay. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye.